Hi, it's Chef Mark. I'm at Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and today we're going to learn about the new JennAir Whirlpool brand flush mount microwave. And what makes it so unique is that it's designed to take up less space in your kitchen, but it's got other tricks up its sleeve. So Chris, I understand we got flush mount, but what is it that you've been telling me that it doesn't have a turntable and then it stirs food? You've got me confused. Can you explain it to me?
Yeah, absolutely, Chef Mark. Thank you. What's great about this is you don't need a turntable. And what we have here, very similar to microwave drawer technology that's out there, is something that doesn't have a turntable because we have what's called a stirring motor, which moves the microwaves evenly throughout the cavity of the microwave. Here you see we have a plate and a bowl.
Yeah.
Something you typically wouldn't put in a microwave with a turntable. Here you can do both. In fact, you can fit a 9x13 casserole dish in here to reheat food or do whatever you want with it.
So as I understand, there is no turntable.
Correct.
The stirring motor takes place of the turntable.
That's exactly.
And that stirring motor scrambles the microwaves and makes sure that they fill the entirety of the cavity evenly.
Exactly.
So this looks smaller than other microwaves I see. So are you telling me it's more usable space?
That's exactly right. We have 1.1 cubic feet of interior capacity here. Typical microwave is anywhere from 1.6 to 2.1.
Okay.
Those typical microwaves with the turntable have around 130 square inches of usable space. This has 198 square inches of usable space, making it way more usable, even though we don't have the total capacity that you would typically have in a microwave. So despite it being 1.1 cubic feet, it actually has more usable capacity than a typical microwave that people are used to working with.
So it's both smaller and bigger.
Exactly.
I love that. This comes in several different Whirlpool brands. Can you tell us what those are?
Exactly, yeah. Anywhere from KitchenAid, which you see here, to the luxury brand JennAir. Whirlpool and Maytag brands also offer various flush microwaves with different features.
Different features and different price points.
Exactly.
To match everybody's budget.
Exactly.
I love it. All right, this is Chef Mark. Thanks for tuning in. This exciting new innovation from Whirlpool Appliances.